Children, today we are doing table tag in HTML. So let's start with HTML tag. We always start our program with HTML tag. Next we are giving body, BG color is equal to red, text is equal to green. So the background color of the document will be the red and text color will be the green. Now we are starting the table tag. Table border, it has many attributes, but you must give border is equal to 1. We give the border size in pixels like 1. We see the this is the output and this is the border of 1 pixel. If we are not using this attribute, so it will not divide the table into the rows and columns. Control S and in Explorer F5. It will not divide the table into the rows and columns. So you must give border attribute with table tag. You can increase or decrease the size of the border. BG color is equal to pink means background color of the table. Height is equal to 70%, width is equal to 70%. 70% means is 70% of the screen. Align is equal to center. Table will display in the center. Otherwise, default alignment is the left. Border color will be the yellow. And cell spacing and cell padding. We also giving cell spacing and cell padding in pixels. Now I show you the output. F5. Sorry. Control S. After editing, we have to press Control S and in Explorer F5 to refresh. The function of the cell spacing is spaces between cells. This space we can increase or decrease by using cell spacing, and the cell padding is the space between the boundary of the cell and the content. This space is given by cell padding. Now border color is yellow and cell spacing cell padding. Now we are giving the caption of the table. Table caption is table 1. Table 1. By default it is displayed above the table and in center. But we can change the alignment of the caption like this. Align is equal to bottom. Control S and in Explorer F5. Now caption is displaying in the bottom of the table. Now we are starting our row. Every row is start with tr tag and close with /tr tag. This is complete one row. Tr and /tr like this. Horizontal are the rows, and this row is divided into the 3 columns. Columns are created by th tag or td tag. The main difference between td and th is this. If we are using th, then our data will display in center and in bold format, and if we are using td, then our data will display in normal format and in left. Now we see the syntax. th is creating a column and /th is closing the column. We have created 3 columns in this row. Now we are creating the second row like this, tr and /tr. In this row we are using td, means table data. It means table heading. We have created 4 rows in this table like this. We have 4 rows, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and every row contains 3 columns. Now we have some common attributes which we can use with tr, td and th, like BG color is equal to blue. Now we see the output. This row is displaying in blue color, and and align is equal to right. We can align our text in center. The whole text of these 3 columns will display in the right, and V-align means top, bottom or middle. Top. So these 3 these the text of these three columns will display in the right and in the top, and the row color will be the blue. Control S, and we see the output. It is displaying in the top and right. We can use the same attributes with the TD and TH also. Control C, and now we are using with the TH. Control V. Here we are giving green, align is equal to center, and V align is equal to middle. Now we see the output. Control S and F5. This column is displaying in green color, and the text is, now we see the text color. Text color is by default green, so it is not displaying. So now we are giving here black color. Control S and F5. Now you can see the alignment. Vertical alignment is middle and alignment is center. We can use these two attributes also with TH, TD and TD. Height is equal to 20% of the table, and width is equal to 20% of the table. Control S, and in Explorer. So in this way, children, you can create different types of tables on your web page. Thank you.